Shopping for plants? Come take a tour of Green Acres Nursery in Leonardtown. Hey there, I'm Marie Lally.
And I'm Tony Valeri.
And we're realtors with O'Brien Realty in Southern Maryland. Per the recommendation of one of my seller clients who is a big gardener and an encyclopedia of plants, Tony and I stopped by Green Acres Nursery in Leonardtown, Maryland yesterday to check it out. Green Acres Nursery is an Amish-owned business in Southern Maryland. To our surprise, this tucked-away farm property has a nice amount of stock with a great variety of plants. Green Acres Nursery offers various trees, bushes, and perennials on the outside area. Inside the greenhouse is where the more tender annuals are available. Green Acres Nursery outside stock includes hydrangea at great prices. I would have saved nearly $20 a container for the same plants I bought elsewhere a few weeks ago. They also have various trees, knockout and drift roses, some David Austin roses, and beautiful rose trees with the beautiful Julia Child yellow rose. There are also various bushes like Weigela and butterfly bush, as well as evergreens including azaleas. The perennial section at Green Acres Nursery includes some beautiful and interesting plants. There is lavender, hollyhocks, dianthus, delphinium, I think I saw astilbe, lupins, coral bells, foxglove, and they even had lamb's ear, which I love that. It's a very touchy textural plant. Also in the outside area, you'll find various terracotta and glazed planters. Green Acres Nursery offers these planters in a variety of sizes and styles. They even have strawberry pots too, which are among my favorite types of pots to plant with either herbs or succulents. Walk into the greenhouse at Green Acres Nursery and feast your eyes on the large and colorful space. First on the list are the amazing bougainvillea trees at the entrance in such a beautiful and vibrant color. Above your head are gorgeous hanging baskets of geraniums and other plants in a rainbow of colors. Just follow the aisles created between tables of dahlias, petunias, and lantana. Follow the bright colors over to the shade-loving impatiens and begonias of all kinds. If you enjoy growing herbs, Green Acres Nursery offers many varieties of herbs that look healthy and beautiful. Yesterday was a rainy day when Tony and I visited Green Acres Nursery, so we did not have a lot of opportunity to look at the variety of plants offered outside. We will definitely be back. It was an enjoyable visit, and I have my eye on a few things I would like to purchase for my home and patio. I have to say that everything looks beautiful and healthy. Definitely, these plants are very well taken care of. Be sure to check out the pretty arrangements for Mother's Day. These are quick gifts that any mom would love. Or get creative and pick up a pot or planter and create a unique planted gift for your mom. Green Acres Nursery offers a variety of concrete garden accessories inside the greenhouse, including beautiful bird baths, cute concrete garden critters, and more. These are sure to put a smile on your face. Green Acres Nursery is located at 40700 Parsons Mill Road in Leonardtown. Parsons Mill Road is located right off of Loveville Road, or Route 247. Thank you to my client for her recommendation to visit Green Acres Nursery. She was right. They have a great selection of plants with good prices. Tony and I really like Green Acres Nursery, and we think you will too.